Hey AI explorers, China's AI game in 2025 is on a whole new level. Mind-reading tech, emotion tracking cameras, swarm drones, and more. These breakthroughs are crazy, controversial, and closer to sci-fi than reality. Some call it genius, others say it's terrifying. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's explore 10 shocking Chinese AI developments you absolutely need to know. SenseTime's Face AI takes facial recognition to another level. It doesn't just recognize your face, it reads your feelings with 99% accuracy using micro-expression analysis. This tech is already being tested in malls, airports, and subways across 50 cities. Imagine walking by a billboard and the ad changes based on your mood. In Shanghai, stores using this tech saw sales jump by 25%, but it's not all fun. Face AI is being tested for flagging suspicious emotions during public events. Privacy experts are calling it a digital surveillance monster. Is it amazing marketing or emotional spying? You decide. One moment you're shopping, the next you're flagged by a camera just for feeling nervous. Would you be okay with AI reading your face every time you leave the house? ByteDance, the creator of TikTok, has launched Dreamcraft AI, a music-making machine that writes complete songs in seconds. From lyrics to melody to vocals, it does it all based on a simple prompt like romantic heartbreak. The AI has already produced 15 viral hits on China's Douyin, crossing 50 million streams. It mimics genres like K-pop or EDM with near-perfect human quality. Labels are licensing AI songs while musicians fear this might kill creative jobs. ByteDance says it avoids sensitive lyrics due to censorship, sparking further debate. Is this the future of music, or is the soul of art being replaced? Imagine your favorite artist being replaced by a machine that never sleeps or ages. Would you still listen if the voice had no real story behind it? Huawei's Neuralink AI headset is turning thoughts into actions. Literally, with no buttons or voice commands, users can send messages, play music, and even control games by just thinking. The device reads brainwaves with 87% accuracy and responds in real time. It's especially helpful for people with disabilities, offering hands-free control. In gaming trials, users moved characters with pure thought, but some fear it could be misused for mind monitoring in schools or workplaces. Though Huawei promises encryption, leaked documents suggest data sharing risks. Would you wear a device that listens to your mind? What happens when a company knows what you're thinking before you speak? Could this be the future, or is it one step too far? DJI has built AI-powered drones that work in massive swarms, up to 5,000 units flying together like one brain. These drones make split-second decisions as a team, without human input. In a test during flooding in Sichuan, they mapped a rescue zone in just 12 minutes, saving 200 lives. They use 6G to communicate and react within 0.1 seconds. While China markets them for farming and logistics, concerns are rising over military use. Some countries have already banned them, fearing spying and automated attacks. Are they heroes of disaster response or a threat to global security? What if this same swarm technology was used for crowd control, or worse, war? Would you feel safe knowing they could fly above you with no warning? With just 10 seconds of audio, iFlyTech's voice clone AI can copy any voice, tone, accent, and even emotions. It's been used in audiobooks and digital assistants with over 10 million users. Call centers are now using it to impersonate celebrities in ads. But it's not all fun. Deepfake scams using this tech have cost people millions. In Beijing, banks are tightening voice security due to rising fraud. Even worse, the AI has been used to mimic political voices, dodging regulation. It fooled 9 out of 10 people in lab tests. Would you trust a call from someone you love if this tech spreads? What if your mom called for help, but it wasn't really her? That's the scary new reality this AI is creating. Megvie's Smart City AI is running real-time traffic, utilities, and public safety in major cities. In Shanghai, it's cut traffic jams by 35%. In Shenzhen, it saved $10 million in energy bills by optimizing grid usage. The system processes 500 million data points per day using surveillance cameras and IoT sensors. It flags accidents before they happen and identifies suspicious behavior like loitering. While it makes cities efficient, critics call it a digital dictatorship. Everything you do could be watched, logged, and analyzed. Is this the perfect smart city, or the start of total control? Even hospital wait times dropped 20%, but at what personal cost? Would you trade your privacy for a more organized life? Xiaomi's AI pet robot looks cute, but it's more than a toy. It uses AI to read your face, tone, and posture to understand how you're feeling, happy, sad, or stressed. When you're down, it comforts you. When you're bored, it suggests fun activities. It sold over 1 million units in China, becoming more popular than robot vacuums. Kids love it, but parents worry about privacy, as it records interactions and learns your habits. It's even being marketed as a mental health companion. Is it a helpful emotional support tool or just a smart, fluffy spy? Could a robot become your child's new best friend? And what kind of data is it silently collecting in your home? Beichuan's Codemaster AI is a programmer's dream, or nightmare. With just a simple prompt, it can generate full apps, UI, backend, and database in under 8 minutes. It supports 60 programming languages and has been used to build over 5,000 apps this year alone. Startups are flooding the market thanks to this tool, and students are building complex projects with no prior coding skills. It even detects bugs and suggests improvements. But software developers are sounding the alarm. Entry-level jobs are disappearing fast. Is this the end of human coders or just a smarter way to create? Will tech students even need to learn code in 5 years? Or is AI coding too unpredictable to trust for mission-critical apps? Yastu's Health AI claims it can predict your next illness years before symptoms show. It scans your DNA, diet, lifestyle, and medical history, finding patterns most doctors miss. It flagged 15,000 early-stage illnesses across Chinese hospitals in just 1 year. With 93% accuracy, it can recommend personal changes like cutting sugar or adjusting sleep. But health insurers are worried, and so are privacy advocates. If this data gets misused, it could affect job offers or insurance approval. Do you trust an AI to read your body's future, or is that power too dangerous? Could this save lives or create a new form of discrimination? Would you want to know your future health, even if it scared you? China has built an AI brain to run an entire lunar base, with no humans needed. Developed by CAST, it handles robotics, life support, experiments, and more. It processes data using 20 orbiting satellites, transmitting info at 10 terabits per second. In 2025, it reduced mission costs by 45% and launched 10 science experiments on the moon. It even predicts equipment failure before it happens, saving millions. NASA is watching closely, worried that China could dominate space AI. Is this the future of colonizing space, or are we giving AI too much control, too far from home? Could this be step 1 toward a fully automated colony on Mars? Would you trust AI to make life and death decisions 384,000 kilometers from Earth? And there you have it, 10 jaw-dropping AI projects from China that are already shaping the future. From moon missions to music creation and emotional robots, the lines between human and machine are blurring fast. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments and vote. Is China's AI progress brilliant or dangerous? Hit like, subscribe, and share this video if you want more tech-packed content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring, AI fam. The future is now, and it's wilder than we imagined.